like it?
Oh yeah, feels great.
Okay.
Yeah. High. Low. Still low. There you go. It's close?
Oh yeah, well that's the thing. You got to think about it. You're in a self-defense situation,
Right.
3 to 5 feet. 3 to 5 feet this is like a standard, me to you away. Someone's
okay.
got a knife. I want your money, I want your wallet.
All right.
They grab you, they got their hands on you, and you're not a threat to them. They don't care about you. They want your money, they want your car keys, whatever. This is like an ideal situation. So if you can create space, however you can do it, whether it's a body shove or it's a back pedal, stepping backwards, enough to pull your firearm out and get it out there. And that's why it's important to have 2 hands on it. You might be in a situation where they know you got the gun, and instead of backing up, they might try to get to you to get that gun. And so that's what you're kind of doing. So I'm going to aim for these 2. We're at about, I'd say 15 feet away.
Right.
And I think this is a good distance. And we'll go for a bowling pin. Target real quick. When I'm shooting paper, there we go. Oh, a little off there. We'll go over here, see where I'm shooting at. That trigger feels really nice. I can crack at them from back here.
What do you got?
This is the Kel-Tec Sub 2000.
Oh my God.
This right here is pretty badass. I haven't shot this in a while.
Go ahead, I'll let you know. Shot right at the top of that. And shooting the top. And shoot the bottom.
Go ahead, lock your elbows. You're going to straighten that. You're going to look your sights. You're going to get them all together. So you want to have these 2 level with that. And once those are level, looking in this middle sight is on that skull. And when you can see that, go ahead and pull that trigger. Nice. Now, same position. So next time, keep your hand extended so you don't have to come back to it right away, just because you're getting used to it. And you're going to aim at that one over there. And let's go ahead and walk over here. Get straight on with it. All right. Because we want to get used. Yep. So you got a little bush in the way there. Same. Make sure the rear sights are level with the front sight. When you can see that front sight target, nice. Hell yeah. Let's move over to this target right here.
The head?
Yep. So you can aim at the head.
All right.
And so you see that front white at the very top, the one we were using to hold the peg in?
All right.
Yep, go ahead and shoot in that direction. So you see your target where you shot? You shot a little bit to the right. And
This way?
you're on the right side.
Oh, over Hot C, okay.
Yep, that's you. So now where you were shooting now, you try to correct it. So where you had your sight aimed the first time, kind of angle it a little bit to the left, you're in the kill zone. That's a kill. You went a little too far to the right, you're still on it.
Yeah.
And you want to shoot that one?
I'll try.
All right, aim for the triangle on the top, or the diamond. Nice. Hell yeah, good job, Hutch.
Put your hand in the strap.
Oh, the hand and...
Yep, there you go.
Wow, this is weird.
feels comfortable though when you shoot.
Oh!
You got a racket. There you go.
What happened? Already had a shell in there.
Huh?
Already had a shell in there.
You sure?
Yes.
There's no way. It'd be a double feed.
Huh?
It would have been a double feed. Got something that flew up. Yeah. Isn't that fun?
Yes.
Don't shoot the GoPro.